Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR X70i and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode, so we can open the settings. They are in the right upper corner, so let's tap on them, and here all we have to do is to scroll down just a little bit to find this timer icon, so timer option. So let's tap on it, and after tapping you can see that in this device we've got 4 different options, so off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. All you have to do is to simply tap on the specific option. I will choose 10 seconds. It is immediately notified right here, so let's go back to the camera. And as you can see here, we've got a new icon which is connected with the timer, so we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not, and what kind of timer, so the longer or shorter one. So now let's simply tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright, so if we've got this icon, we can simply tap on it and quickly change the timer. So as you can see here, we've got those options, so we can set 5 or 2 seconds. We can also quickly turn it off just by tapping on this crossed out icon, and after getting back you can see that this icon will disappear. So of course if you want to turn it on again you have to go through the settings. But now if the timer is off, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.